What exactly are the requirements of leadership in today's workplace? Hello, I am Dr. Colonel Atul Bhandari, and today I want to mention a few things which are necessary for a leader in today's workplace. Now, many think that a leader is one who is very senior, very powerful, who sets the direction and micromanages everything. He gives orders and expects everyone to follow his directions without any questions. Now, that is a very outdated model of leadership. To be a success in today's world in leadership, in today's workplace, a leader has to have certain qualities, certain traits, certain critical skills. I will mention these one by one. The very first is that he must get along very well with his co-workers. I think this is very important. That is why I'm putting it right at the top. He must himself also be a team player. The people in his team must feel free to walk up to him and give their observations or suggestions or feedback on any issue whatsoever. Such an environment encourages growth. Next, he must be an excellent communicator. It is not just about giving speeches or PowerPoint presentations. He must be able to pass on his thoughts, his mind, his vision to his teammates. Next, he must be a very active listener. Despite the high office he holds, the leadership position he holds, he must be one who can sense what is going on. The people must be able to talk to him knowing that he will listen to them without any criticism, without any remorse, and he must encourage all points of view, whether it is in one-to-one meetings or even in a group meeting. He must be a very active listener. This is important for a leader. Next, there must be no micromanagement, because that stifles the growth of the team. It tells them as if everything is being watched all the time. It does not create a good atmosphere. The best is that the leader gives broad directions, tells people how to go about it, and then they go and do their job. He must say that yes, I am available for advice or for any issues to help you out if you get stuck anywhere. But after giving broad directions, a good leader must step out of the way and allow his team to function effectively. Next, a very important quality is that of empathy. It is not just about hard decisions, but the leader has to have a heart also. He must be able to help them out if there is ever any personal issue they have, any requirements where they possibly have to leave office early. So he must lead with a human heart and with a human face. Next, he must focus on professional development. It is not just his own personal development. Once a person is yet to become a leader, the entire issue is about his own or her own personal growth and development. But once he or she has become a leader and been put in a position, been put on a pedestal, all that is after being put on a pedestal is that he has to ensure that the growth of his team members now is of paramount importance. All the good things he has learned, he must pass on to them. He must invest in workshops for them. He must have online courses for them. So professional development of his team is very important. So this is what I have to say. And in sum up, I would say that the most important thing is that a leader must have a very good connect with his co-workers, and they must feel free to walk up to him, because then there is a very positive environment. People feel free at ease and they can give out their best. The attrition is low, the absenteeism is low, and people contribute. Because unless we invest with the heart, people will not invest in their role with the heart. So remember, the heart is as important for a leader as his mind.